The first thing you will want to do is unplug your mass airflow sensor. To do so, pull back the red locking tab on the plug and press down the black tab in the center. Then pull to unplug. Next, you will need to disconnect your PCV valve hose. Push in the white tab or just simply pull it out from the bottom. Get you a flat-headed screwdriver and loosen the air intake tube from the intake. Now on the other end of the intake tube, you will notice 6 Torx 25 screws that hold on the air filter cover. Remove these 6 screws just as the mechanic is doing. You are now ready to remove the intake tube. Pull it away from the intake and up out of the vehicle. It is a little tight, so be sure to adjust as you pull. Don't want to break anything by accident. We have now come to the insulated fuel pump cover. It is held on by one 10mm bolt. Remove this bolt and pull the foam cover from the vehicle. The mechanic now has full access to the high-pressure fuel pump. He will need several tools such as a 17mm wrench, a 15mm socket with ratchet, and a 10mm socket with ratchet for the fuel pump bolts. Firstly, let's unplug the pump. Take a small screwdriver and push the red locking tab back on the plug. Then, push in the black center tab to release. This plug is tricky and in a tight place, so be patient with it. Second, using your 17mm wrench, break loose the 2 fuel lines on the pump. Expect gas to leak out from the lines. Remember, gasoline is flammable and you should not have any open flames or sparks around the vehicle during this process. Using the same wrench, loosen the top fuel line from the other end so that it will pull away from the fuel pump. Next, you will need the 15mm socket to break loose the bolt holding the bottom fuel line. By doing this, you will free the line from holding tight against the pump. Lastly, we are ready to remove the high-pressure fuel pump. As you can see here, it is held on by 2 10mm bolts. The bottom bolt is pretty difficult to remove. I suggest taking your time and getting a swivel to help taking it off. Now that the bolts are out, pull on the pump to remove. It may take some wiggling, but it will come out of there. Alright, now we have successfully removed the high-pressure fuel pump from this vehicle. We are now ready to put our new part on.